This vehicle came in for a full interior deep clean together with ozone treatment, after the new owner bought the car with a very strong dog smell trapped inside the interior. The process started with a proper safe wash, followed by around 9 hours of interior work, including deep vacuuming, steam cleaning, wet extraction, detailed cleaning around trims, fabrics, and tight areas. After the cleaning stage, the vehicle was left drying overnight before the ozone treatment started for stubborn odor removal. Because once strong smells become deeply absorbed into seats and fabrics, removing them properly becomes a much longer process than most people expect.